So in this video, we are going to see about the insert edge loop tool. So this is one of the important tool in the modeling. So with the help of this insert edge loop tool, we can insert the edges onto the model. So I'll show that. So for example, if I take a cube, so let's say suppose if I want to insert a loop manually for this cube here. So we need to shift right click. There is an option called insert edge loop tool. So with the help of this thing, so wherever you left click, so it will insert the loop, and when you release, and now the loop will be created here. So suppose if I want loop here, so just we can left click so that it will insert the loop. So suppose if I select this one, so it will insert vertically. So just in this way, we can insert the loop wherever we want. And just all the faces will be divided. So we can select the faces, you can extrude, or if you want to delete, you can like delete the faces here. And also, for example, suppose if you want to insert like multiple loops. So if I take a cube here, and now let's say if I want to insert the multiple loop, like 2 or 3 loop at the same time. So what we need to do is we can shift right click and we need to select this box option. So after selecting this here, you can see there is an option like multiple edge loops tool. So if you select this and if you like give the value like 5. So if I close this and now if I insert, so see now it has been inserted the 5 loops with the equal distance here. So if I select this one, now it has been inserted. So again, suppose in case if you insert in between this, so it will insert the 5 loops in between this gap here. So we can do different kind of model. So for example, let's select this, shift right click, and we can use this extrude in this way. So just we can use this model. So now, so we can create this kind of models by using this insert edge loop tool. And in case if you want to again insert single loop, so again we can go to these settings and just we can use this option like relative distance. So and again now we can able to insert only the one loop here. So in case if I want to insert the edge only between these two edges, then we should not use this insert edge loop, because as it is inserting the loop around this object. So in that cases, we need to select these two edges. And after that, we need to use this connect component. As I explained in the previous videos, so we can insert the edge between the two selected edges by using the connect components. So for example, we can create the water can by using this loop. So for example, now suppose if I select this cylinder, and now I don't want this triangular faces. So if you want to turn off this triangular faces, just we can select this subdivision caps and you can give the value to 0 so that it will turn off. And now we can select this face and just we can extrude, and first we can scale it. And now we can like pull it out little bit in the Y direction. And again, we can use the extrude option. And now I want to create some sort of thickness. So we can use this extrude, and now we can push it inside here. So now when I press 3, now see it is completely like converting into very smooth model. So what the thing is, in the bottom, I want to make it like a flat surface. So we need a loop here. So what the thing is, suppose if I use this insert edge loop. So when I go to this insert edge loop, it is actually showing the original edges. So what we can do is we can left click and drag so that that part will be flat here. So if you insert here, so just you can left click here and you can insert the loop here. So that now we got this nice shape here. So some water cans will have some sort of thickness over this top part. So what we can do is we can insert the loop. And now what we can do is we can select the face and shift double click. So if you want to select this entire face, we can select this face and just we can shift double click so that we can select this thing. And now we can like extrude this part here. So just I have to select this. So we got this nice shape here. And also if you want to create some sort of design in between this, we can use this insert edge loop. Let's say I will create both loops here. I will create this one. This randomly I'm creating, and now you can select this and we can extrude this. So just we can use this extrude option. And now, so we can create this kind of shapes by using this insert edge loop. So this is a use of insert edge loop tool. So throughout this modeling course, we will use this insert edge loop tool regularly. And also you can able to understand actual use of the insert edge loop tool in the future classes. So in the next video, we will see how to create the basic table and chair by using all the options which we have learned previously. So see you there.